Hello, good morning. Welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous G20 320i we're having. New generation 3 series 320i petrol, so 2 litre petrol, automatic 8 speed, paddle shift. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of its features and options, as well as taking a close look at its condition, helping you make that all important decision. 2019, covered 27,000 miles. This is a one owner vehicle with a full BMW service history. Just had its first MOT and it's in stunning condition. We've added some styling upgrades, as you can see. So let's take a look around. 3-piece front splitter, gloss black kidney grille, equipped with front and rear parking sensors and rear camera as standard. LED headlights, upgraded 20-inch wheels in high gloss black with brand new tyres. Wider rear wheels, giving it a nice aggressive look. M-Performance decal and gloss black sidebars. Really nice subtle upgrade to the side there. Upgraded mirror caps, privacy glass to the rear. 3-piece rear diffuser, these are the side fins. High kick rear spoiler as well. This is our F1 style diffuser with the quad exhaust tips and the F1 brake light, which is fully functioning. Let's take a look in the boot of this one. Original mats, first aid kit, locking wheel nut, and these new generation 3 series have the split folding rear seats, which is a nice option. As with all our cars, we video them to help you make an informed buying decision, and all our cars are physically in stock, ready to drive away. We have a web finance calculator and application. Part exchange is very welcome. Hope you find the video informative. Inside we've got the black Banasca leather, heated front seats with the electric lumbar support. Rear seats in really nice tidy condition as well. One thing you'll notice on this new generation is the all digital dash, which I'll take you to have a look around in a moment. Electric windows, electrically folding mirrors, as standard as well. Touchscreen entertainment system, 27,190 miles to be exact. Here's the paddle shift, as I mentioned, cruise control and speed limit, multifunction steering wheel as well. Here we have the heated seats and dual zone climate control, so passenger can control their temperature and the driver can have it set as they wish. DAB, auxiliary, Bluetooth phone, media playback and screen mirroring depending on device. Take a look at the service history. Next engine oil in 7,000 miles. Service history at BMW, 18,000 was the last service. Really nice tidy condition, in stock, ready to go. Thanks very much for watching. We appreciate your time. Thank you.